Hi again. In this video I will show you how to connect your iPhone or the car Apple Play with your Lexus RX450 and the RX350 hybrid, the newer models. There's those models who has the CarPlay system installed. Right, so to start with, what we have to do, turn on the ignition, and then if you press the menu button on this list, you will see a CarPlay. So to start with, what you have to do is you have to connect the USB in the center console box. There's a two USB on the top or bottom. If you connect your phone, and then we will have, see the Apple CarPlay. The icon is turned up now. We have to highlight and press, then our phone is connected with the vehicle now. So now you can use your the apps, whichever apps are on your phone, they will display on the screen. You can easily use them. It's very, very handy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.